If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making MULA SAGA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are, so for the whole spices, take some bay leaves, fennel seeds, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, black pepper and black cardamom in a blender and blend to make a powder of it, from which we need about 2 tablespoons of that. Then take 1 inch long ginger in a pestle and roughly crush it. It will really enhance the flavor. 2 tablespoons of jaggery or gur, then 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, about 1/4 cup of Nadi Badi. And if you want to know how to make that, then you can check my episode on that. I will give a link in the description box below or click on this above link. Take 3 to 4 spine gourd, half of arbi, that's saru, 1 green brinjal or hara bengan, half of yam, that's desi aloo, 1 raw banana, 1 radish, that's mula, 3 to 4 long beans, 1 cup of pumpkin or kaddu and 3 to 4 pointed gourd, that's parval, and some salt to taste. Now traditionally, these are made in earthen pots in Lord Jagannath temple. So to show you all, I am using the same. But you can make it in any pan that you have. Don't have to be specific about it. Now place that on medium flame. Into that, first add all the ghee, followed by the crushed ginger, salt, powder and all the nadi badi. Now we need to roast this for roughly about a minute. Then add all the vegetables along with radish leaves or mule ka patta, followed by 3 cups of water. Now over medium flame, cover it with a lid and let it simmer till almost all the moisture is gone and it's completely cooked. And it's perfect. So now we can add all the gur and grated coconut. Now combine these really well and wait for a couple of minutes more, then switch off the flame and it should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, MULA SAGA. So do try this at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.